Today on City Foodie Farm, we are going to be making a simple garlic and herb chicken. If you're looking for a simple recipe for chicken, something that you don't really need to think about, you just make it. You don't need to measure or any of that. This garlic and herb chicken is my go-to recipe. I don't even think about it, I just make it. So what you'll need is some sliced onion, your choice of herbs. Today I'm going to be using some thyme and rosemary and lots of garlic, about 3 to 4 cloves, and we're going to smash them, not dice them, just smash them into pieces. I am going to be using 1 chicken breast, but what I do is I cut it in half so it's thinner and goes further. Now drizzle in some olive oil into the pan, and on high to medium heat, we're going to be sauteing those onions, and make sure to season with salt and pepper. Saute them. These got a little bit of color. I probably had it on a little too high. Add in your smashed garlic. Now, the smashed garlic doesn't burn as easily as the little tiny minced pieces. We're going to be seasoning the chicken with some salt and pepper on both sides. That gives your chicken some flavor. Continue to saute, and once your onions are done cooking, you'll want to add in your chicken. And what I always do, just so the onions don't continue to cook, I'll actually just add them to the chicken. And I feel like it gives the chicken a great flavor. Now, you could add in some chicken stock. I'm adding the herbs as well. I feel like it gives the chicken good flavor when you add it in as it's cooking. You could add in the chicken stock. I had some in my cupboard, but I honestly didn't want to open it. So I know you could even just add a tiny bit of water to kind of steam the chicken, but it didn't really need it. It was still very flavorful and juicy. So whatever you want to do, but continue to cook it. You can put a lid on it that will keep the steam in, and that's it. Simple. That's the thing about dishes. Simple ingredients will make delicious dishes. I hope you guys can make this simple chicken recipe. And thank you again for coming back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe for more recipes. And you can also check out cityfoodiefarm.com for more recipes and stories. And here's a look at the dish. If you haven't seen my last recipe with the roasted vegetable quinoa, we made that with this garlic and herb chicken. It was delicious. And until next time, happy cooking.